Good morning, students. How are you all? I welcome you all in today's online class. And today's topic that we are going to discuss is, we have already gone through preparation of soil. So the next topic that we are going to talk is broadcasting. What is broadcasting? So listen to me very carefully. Pause. In previous topic, we had talked about how the soil is prepared, and here we will discuss about broadcasting. What is broadcasting? So listen to me very carefully. What is broadcasting? Here we will discuss about. In this topic, broadcasting, we will firstly talk about, here it is written, the process of scattering of seed into the soil by machines or by hand is called broadcasting. So what do you understand by this topic? Broadcast means to spread anything. But what we are spreading here? We are scattering, or we are spreading the seed into the field. When all the soil has been prepared, we have cultivated, we have already irrigate, we have already just plowing, leveling, whatever the process have been done already. Just because of it, after that we will broadcast. We spread the seed into the field, and spreading or scattering of seed into the field is called broadcasting. This process is not good enough to ensure the proper space between the seed. Actually, what we are doing? We are spreading the seeds by taking in hand and spreading in the field like this. So what happens? The seed go down to the soil. Some seeds are very far from each other, got down, and some seeds very close to each other. As a result, when they grow up, they did not grow properly, because some plants get proper sunlight, some plants couldn't get. Just because of it, we use another artificial process, and this process is known as seed drill. What is seed drill? Listen. So seed drill was the topic. What is seed drill? Seed drill is a machine. What type of machine? A funnel shaped. Funnel means a keep shaped. A funnel shaped seed bowl connected to several tubes. A lot of tubes are there. I have told you in previous classes. Here is the figure of plow, and all the plovers are connected to a keep. And this funnel is, there is a bowl in this funnel, and this bowl, generally this bowl, I am drawing the figure here. Listen very carefully, the figure. Like a bowl, and this bowl is filled with a lot of seeds are there inside. When these seeds are filled, when we start plowing the field, okay, when we start plowing the field, this hole starts loosening the seed one by one in the field at proper distances. So here I have written, the plow makes furrow along the field. Furrow means digging, and the seed balls releases the seed inside it. So just because of it, we should use seed drill. These seed drills provide proper cultivation of crops on a proper distance, maintaining proper distance, so that all the crops could grow easily. Okay, so that it could get proper amount of nutrients, so that it could get phosphorus and any other things that is required. The next topic is, what is transplantation? Transplantation means to plant anything again or regain plant intending. So here I have written, the seeds of some plants are not directly grown. Firstly, they are grown in a necessary, means that is nurseries. They are grown in nurseries and or small bed. You must have seen how the rice is grown in the field. Firstly, what you do, on a small bed, we just grow a number of small seeds, and when this number of small seeds grown up almost 15 to 20 centimeter, we put them out from that small bed and just spread on a larger scale. So this process is known as transplanting. Transplanting means firstly plant in a nurseries on a small bed, and then put them out and just grow them on a larger scale. Clear? Solution. This is for today. We will meet in the next class, and whatever the topic would be, you can ask your doubts, whatever the problems you face. Thank you for today. Have a nice day.